What is going on? Welcome back, Power Stroke family. Tonight we have a 21 F250 that I actually put the trimmer valance on. Tonight we are going to be talking about how to correctly install and set up your Pro Trailer Backup Assist decals on your trailer so that you can safely tow with one of the best trucks on the road. Alright guys, let's check this out. Alright guys, thanks so much for coming back tonight. I wanted to illustrate the way that you're supposed to hook up your trailer if you have the Pro Trailer Backup Assistance. Alright, so some of the goodies you're going to get in the Quick Start Guide are some reverse guidance measurement cards, and this is what you're going to use to take recordings of each of the measurements so that we can input into the truck. And additionally, there are some stickers that you're going to apply to each one of your trailers, and you can get more, so that the truck knows what trailer you are using. So this is a 21 F250, and right now we have it hooked to a 26-foot trailer that has two side-by-sides in it. So we're definitely not over capacity with this setup whatsoever, but we want to hook up the Pro Trailer Backup Assist so that we can program this to the truck and have this be one of the trailers that this customer is using. So after you figure out, what trailer you're going to be placing your sticker on, if you have the A-frame or the straight, the first measurement you'll want to measure from the ball 7 inches out and mark it. Then you're going to want to measure from the ball 20 inches out and mark it. You are going to want to put the sticker between 7 inches and 20 inches. You see the green window that it wants you to be in? So that actually puts us in this location right here. So it's going to be different if you have, a single trailer, a single tongue trailer. That measurement is going to be taken right there with same measurements. It's just we're not going to have that window looking spread like we do here. Once the sticker's on, now we can proceed with taking all of our measurements. Alright, so one of the first measurements we're going to take is measurement A. Measurement A is right there. Measurement A, the horizontal distance from the license plate to the center of the ball hitch. Okay, so we're going to go from the license plate to the ball hitch. We're going to take that measurement right now, and we're going to record. So here we go from A
Center of the ball
to the center of the ball, and what are we looking at?
13 inches.
About 13 inches. All right, so we've marked that down, and the next one we're going to do, the horizontal distance from the center of the ball hitch to the center of sticker. This is measurement B. So measurement B is going to be right here. So measurement B, center of the ball hitch to the sticker. And we are at 19 inches. So we have 19 in measurement B in inches, and measurement C is the distance from the rear view camera to the center of the sticker. Taking a measurement from the center of the sticker to the rear view camera, we are at 44. Alright, we've gone ahead and wrote down 44. Our last measurement, which is going to be the biggest one, is the horizontal distance from the tailgate to the center of the trailer axle. So depending on whether if you have a single axle or more than one axle, you're going to measure, if you had a single axle, from right here. If you have a double axle, you're going to be measuring right here. If you had a triple axle, you'd be measuring right here. Okay, so measurement D, you can see right where we're going to be for our double axle trailer, and we have it all laid out from the tailgate to the middle of the trailer, and we are at 234. So we have written down all of our measurements, and now we have to input this data into the truck. All right, guys, so we're here in the cabin, and we need to set up our system. This is the first thing that we're going to be doing when you want to start using your Pro Trailer Backup Assist. First thing we're going to do is press the center button on the knob located to the right of the steering wheel to begin the setup on the system. All right, so we're just going to follow the on-screen prompts. We're going to add the trailer, and you guys can name it whatever you want. Just using the steering wheel buttons. Oh yeah. So we got done with the name, and now we need to pick what type of brake system we have. Are we going to be choosing electrics, or are we going to be choosing electric over hydraulic? Bob, what do we have on the trailer?
Electric, just standard electric brakes.
All right, so we're going to select the correct
default
brakes that we have, and the next question it asks us if we are going to want the high, medium, or low. And if your trailer brakes require more initial voltage, then you're going to obviously have to change that accordingly, so the truck can adjust. Yeah, we'll go in the middle. Next is what kind of trailer are you using? We don't know if we have a conventional fifth wheel or gooseneck, but in this application, we're doing the old conventional. Do you want to set up trailer blind spot? So this is actually going to use the bliss on the back of the vehicle and extend it out to the trailer once we input all of the data that we're going to take here in a few minutes. Add trailer blind spot. Is the width less than 9 feet and less than 33 feet? Yes. Enter trailer length. 24.
It's a 26 foot.
26 foot.
But it doesn't have 26.
Doesn't have 26, so pick one that is going to be closest to yours.
24.
And then this next thing we're going to see is if we are going to activate the Pro Trailer Backup Assist and complete it. Okay, so we need to follow the instructions.
It should
Drive forward to straighten the trailer.
straight.
Alright guys, so we're back in the truck with our measurement card, and the instrument cluster is prompting us, what was measurement A? We are going to input 13 inches. Okay, next one, measurement B. Our measurement we took was 19 inches. So we're going to go using the left directional pads on the steering wheel and go to 19. C, 44, and D, we're going to go to 234. And OK to confirm. Review measurements. Measurement B,
That's as max.
that's as high as we can go. Horizontal distance from the ball hitch to the center of the sticker.
Confirm.
We're going to confirm it. Detecting trailer. It recognized it. That's our sticker circled. Movement saved.
Now we gotta drive forward to calibrate it.
Okay.
Calibration Mission complete.
Shift to reverse to activate. That is not his knees, guys. That's the actual system working. I've never seen it. I've never used it. My duty doesn't have it. But I have to say that is pretty whack, not using the steering wheel to back the trailer up. Tell me in the comment section below if anybody's ever had to do this to their Super Duty or F-150 to hook up their Pro Trailer Backup Assist. I'd like to know, does anybody use it? Were they successful, or do they just think it's rather something they wouldn't use? Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, sub, share, and I'll catch you guys all next time. See ya! Straightening it out all by itself. He's going to turn it. He's going to make his adjustment and then let go. And the truck is going to make it center out all by itself. Way cool, guys. Way cool. Way cool. Way cool that we're doing it in the shop too.